Okay, so Dave's here. You're in a wheelchair. You and Dave have something in common. Y'all are motherfucking disabled, so y'all shouldn't be talking. And Bambi's here. You break your phone. You're just like Bambi. He breaks his phone. And you're a corn stealer, so you shouldn't be talking either. You should zip your mouth shut. And Pico, isn't your mom dead? You shouldn't be talking either. And last but not least, Andy, aren't you Jonas? You shouldn't be talking either. You should. And Sierra, aren't you just a freaking preteen? You shouldn't be talking either, Sierra. You shouldn't be talking either.